Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. And in this video, I am going to talk about can we download Upstox application into our PC or not. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. To know, can we download Upstox into our PC, just simply open Google Chrome browser or any of the browser that you use. And after that, just simply search for Upstox download for Windows. And after searching that, so many search results will come up. But there is no download link for Windows. Now to check if the download is available or not, just simply open this official site of Upstox. You can only see login and register option. There is no download option into here. So it concludes that we cannot download the app version of Upstox into our PC. If we want to download the Upstox, we just simply have to do it into our mobile phones, and we have to use the Upstox only into our web in our PCs. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.